Hello, now I am going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 5, and the topic is adjectives describing words. Before reading this, we know about a word which describes something that like we usually use you are a good boy or good girl. Here good is a word which describing the boy or girl. So let's read now. The team wore red shirts. The word red here, this word tells us what kind of shirts the team wore. It means by the word we are getting a description about the shirts. It describes the shirts. Here it is written because it describes the noun shirts, we call it an adjectives. So what do you mean by adjectives, or what is the definition of adjective? Here it is written, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Here some examples of adjectives are given: loud, savage, sharp, juicy, teddy, leather, white, deep, heavy, beautiful. These are the examples of adjectives. There are some exercises about this topic. If we do this, then this topic will be clearer. Here exercise 1, here it is written, pick out and write the adjectives in these sentences. I am not going to write out, I am just underlining it. You do it your exercise book. Here first sentence, a big lorry was parked outside the school. Here lorry is a noun, it is described by the word big, so that's why big is an adjective. 2 number, the sky became very dark before the storm broke. Here see, the sky is described by the word dark, so here dark is the adjective. 3 number, Claire wore a new dresses at the party. Here dress, the noun, is described by a word that is new, and that's why this word is an adjective. The baby was playing with a huge teddy bear. Here the word huge is describing the word teddy, a noun, that's why this is an adjective. The torch gave a brilliant light. Here the word brilliant is describing the word light, so that's why this word is an adjective. The captain of the ship had a wooden leg. Here the word wooden is describing the word leg, which is noun, and that's why this is an adjective. They made an easy crossing of the shallow river. Here see, the word easy is describing word, and here the shallow is a describing word. It is describing a river, and they made an easy crossing, so here this word is describing the crossing. So these two words are adjectives in this sentence. We helped the blind man across the road. In this sentence, blind is describing the word man, so that's why blind is an adjective. It was such a busy street. In this place, the word street is describing by the word busy, so this is an adjective in this sentence. And last sentence, 10 number sentence, you always think you are so clever. Here the word clever is describing you, so this is an adjective. We have another exercise left, that is B number exercise. Here it is written, choose an adjective from the list above to fill each of the spaces below. It means from this place, this box, from this box we will choose a word to fill the gap or fill the blanks of this place. So first one number, dash doll. We can write in this place which doll. I think this is more appropriate. You can write white doll, no problem. Heavy doll even you can write, but yeah, I think this is more appropriate. Beautiful, so right here, beautiful doll. 2 number, dash knife. We can write here from this place, sharp knife. Here we can write sharp knife. 3 number, dash noise. So here in this place, which word can be more appropriate? This word can be more appropriate, that is loud noise. We can put here loud noise. Phone number dash dog. Which dog? Which dog? See here, savage dog. We can put here savage dog. Savage dog. 5 number a dash loud. Which loud? Which loud? We can take from this place. Juicy no, leather, tidy no, white deep, heavy. This is appropriate for this place. 5 number heavy loud. So write it here. Heavy loud. 6 number a dash pear. What word can be from this place? This one, juicy. Juicy is appropriate for this place. We can write a juicy pear. 7 number a dash blit. What we can take from this place? Dash blit. Yes, this one is very appropriate for that place. That is what? That is leather. So write in the 7 number blank, that is a leather blit. 8 number a dash room. A dash room, white room, you can write it is left, and you can write also tidy room. I think this is better to write in this place. A tidy room. 9 number a dash sheet. There are only 2 words left. I think this is the appropriate for this place. White sheet. So write it here. White sheet. And last one, 10 number dash cut. So we know there is only one word left, that is deep. So we will put here deep cut. Hope you have understood today's topic. It was adjectives describing words. Next time we will do a comprehension, that is page number 6, and the name of that comprehension is Cinderella. Bye for today.